How to use FaceTime on iPhone. So if you want to use FaceTime on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your FaceTime application. Now you're going to see all of your recent FaceTime calls. But if you want to create a new one, you have two different options. You can just simply go with a new call, which will be on the bottom, or you'll be able to create a link. If you tap on new call, then here on the left side, you will have create link button. You will have the link button. You'll be able to create a link. What you can do with this link, you'll be able to copy it and you can send it to someone that can later use the link to enter the FaceTime call. Or you can go ahead and start a new FaceTime by tapping on new FaceTime and searching for the person that you want to call. Now, if the other person has FaceTime enabled, their contact will show up. So go ahead and search for the person that you wish to call. And here you will also have two options that you need to either have a video call or an audio call. As you can see that I've already selected a person, and then here on the bottom, I have a FaceTime call or an audio call. You can pick your option, go ahead and tap on it, and this will automatically start calling the other person on FaceTime. And at the top of your screen, you will see the controls like audio, camera, mute button, or screen share button, or you will also have an end button. So this is how you'll be able to use FaceTime on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.